Today, we celebrate the life and legacy of a man whose heart was as vast as his contributions to journalism. Daniel G. Fajardo, or Boss DF, as many fondly knew him, was not only the founder of Panay News but a beacon of generosity, kindness, and service to others. His life's work extends beyond the written word. It lives on in the countless lives he touched. For more than 4 decades, the Daniel G. Fajardo Foundation Incorporated has been a source of hope and joy for hundreds of Ilonggos. From gift packs for the elderly, to scholarships for young students, to medical missions, gift giving, and school projects, Boss DF's commitment to helping others never wavered. His foundation ensures that no one is forgotten, from Iloilo to nearby provinces. His foundation knew that true service has no boundaries. Not only in Iloilo, but across the region, lives have been changed by the kindness that Boss DF believed in. Whether through school gates built for children or scholarships that open doors to brighter futures, his legacy lives on through every act of compassion. The Daniel G. Fajardo Foundation, named in his honor, has become a cornerstone of service dedicated to making a difference, just as he did. Through every gift, every mission, every outreach, the spirit of Boss DF remains present. Today, as we mark the 6th year of his passing, we remember and honor not just a great journalist, but a man whose heart was dedicated to serving others. His legacy of generosity will continue to inspire and uplift generations to come. Thank you, Boss DF. Your kindness will forever live on.